So we have done this, right. We are looking into our notes on yesterday. We have done a couple of programs. Yes. So we have done with how to create a thread. We have seen yesterday.
Yeah.
And you can give some names also to threads. We will do one program on that. Just a minute. And you can set priorities also. Let me explain them, then we will do a program. You can set some name to thread. Set a name to a thread. So there is a predefined method called as set name. A small letter. Set name. You can set some name within double quotes. You can give as an argument. You can give some name like this. Like this you can give. Okay.
Okay.
And if you want to get the name, get name is there. If you want to display the name, then get name you can use like this. If the object is t dot set name, you can do here, and you can get it by writing t dot get name like that. We will see these kind of things. And one more thing is priorities. You can set some priorities to threads, because when multiple threads are trying to utilize the resource, you can set some priorities. Which thread has to take hold of the resource? For that matter, some priorities are there. Default priorities are there, like min priority is there, min underscore all capital letters. Generally, we write all capital letters for static and final variables. And this is a static and final variable whose value is equivalent to 1. Min priority is always 1. And it is a static and final variable present in thread class. You can invoke like this. Got it? Thread dot min. If you set like this, it will be 1. And if you set like this, thread dot norm priority.
Normal.
All capital letters mandatory, because generally static and final variables we go with capital letters. 5. And then thread dot max priority is also there. Max underscore priority. It's nothing but 10. Otherwise, you can set any number as you wish, like by methods like set priority. Set t dot set priority. You can give some number. You can give any number, like say, let us say 7. You can give like that. If you want to get which priority is set, then obviously get priority you can use. Whenever a setter is there, a getter will be also there. Okay. Not only in name, in priority also, whenever a setter is there, automatically getter will be there to retrieve that. Okay. So we will do a program on that also. We will cover these areas. Here I have given max priority is 10, norm is 5, min is 1. And they are all static methods present in, here I mentioned, you can have a close look. These are all static and final variables present in thread class.
Thread class.
You can invoke like this. See here, t1 dot set priority. You can set like this. T1 dot get priority. You can get it like this. Okay. And similarly, you can also set a name and all these things. Here in this program, I have done it. Yeah. We copy this program. Just additional information is setting and setting names and priorities we have done in this program. Remaining normal program.
Okay.
In this program, we have to save with the name thread demo. Is it not?
Thread demo. Yeah.
Use it inside thread demo.
Thread demo.
Save as demo. So how it is set, we will see here. See. So execution starts from main method. How many objects are created for thread class?
3.
3 different objects are created. And for all
Yeah.
these 3 objects, there were names being set. You can see here.
Mm.
First thread name is
Yeah.
Ram, second thread is Ravi, third set is Vijay. Right?
Yeah.
And also set their priorities. Ramu is having max priority, Ravi norm priority, and then Vijay.
Mm.
Okay. Not only that, we are getting
Yeah.
that, getting the names and priorities as well on the screen. So whenever I say T1 dot get name, you'll get Ramu. T2 dot get name,
Ramu. Yeah.
Ravi. And
Ravi.
T3 dot get name will get Vijay.
Vijay.
And T1 dot get priority, you'll get 10. T2 dot get priority, you'll get 5. And T3
5.
dot get priority, you'll get 1.
Yeah. 1.
Afterwards, whenever you say T, you'll get output like this. I will show you better. I show that instead of talking. This one I will show you. T1, what is there in T1? Means it will show all the features of thread 1. It will be having 3 features. Like one is the name of the thread. The second one is priority.
Okay.
So 3 things will come out.
Mm.
Name, thread name. I mean thread name, comma. You'll get priority, thread priority.
Okay.
And then third one is every thread belong to some group. Okay, that thread group to which it belongs.
Okay.
Group also
Mm.
can identify it. Okay, these are the 3 things which you can acquire. And then immediately you are starting thread 1. So control should transfer to run method. And here is run method.
Yeah.
So inside run method, this code will be executed. What is that? My thread. Initially I is 0. Then in the next iteration I becomes 2, 3 up to my thread 0, my thread 1 up to 10. But before
10.
that, always give top priority to main thread. You are inside main method. So first executable thread is this one. Main thread 0 will be executed first.
Mm.
Afterwards, it can go in any way. Main thread 1 or even my thread. First my thread will not be executed because you are inside main method. Main thread will be
Yeah.
executed first. It gives top priority to itself, first of all. Then it can give
First.
priority
Yeah.
to this or that. From next time onwards, it depends upon operating system. We cannot presume. Okay.
Mm.
Let
Okay.
me move on this. Right, demo is the name which is given, right? Any star?
Yeah.
We got a star there. I can see a star here. How it is saved? Let me check once. It looks some typical way. I got a doubt here. Oh, this is not the one. Where it is stored. Let's
Programs.
yeah. In that threads, right?
Threads.
Nothing. I don't know
Thread
what's.
demo.
I don't know. Okay, correct. No problem. Fine. Everything is fine. No issue.
Yeah.
See, first time main thread. Got it?
Main thread.
First all.
Mm.
Oh, you got main thread first. You should get main thread. Okay. It can go in either way, it seems. My thread 0, my thread 1, then comes main thread 0, my thread 2. From there onwards, first we started Okay, it can go in either way. Any thread can be first in the race. Again, if I run majority cases, it will be main thread. That's what I believe. Let me check
Yeah.
my thread this time also. But little difference is there compared with last time. My thread and then main thread came. This time it is
Hmm.
not in our hands. Totally, it is given to OS main thread this time. This time main
Main
thread.
thread, main thread. Yeah.
It depends upon OS totally. It is not in our hands totally. Yeah. Yes. Last time my thread 0 you got. Yes.
Correct.
And what about the other things before that? Other things in the sense you got Ramu, Ravi, Vijay, 10, 5.
Ramu.
True, na? And this is what I am talking about.
Yeah.
Three things will come out. What are they? Name of the T1. T1 we displayed. Did you remember that? We
Yeah.
displayed T1.
Correct.
Yes.
Hmm.
Here it is. We are displaying T1. T1 means what is the data associated with T1? What is the thread name associated with T1? Ramu. What is the
Ramu.
thread priority associated with T1? Max priority. You can see
Max. Yeah.
T1 association is max. That is that
Hmm.
is max priority is 10.
Yeah.
10,
Yeah. 10. 10.
10. Min is 1.
Yeah. Hmm.
So you'll get 10 and then thread group is main thread. By
Main
default,
thread.
threads belong to because you are inside that and you will get main thread group only. And then
Hmm.
the remaining things I think, right?
Yeah.
So any doubts in this program? Either setting or getting or min priority, max, norm. We discussed it just now in Notepad. Same things we implemented here, right?
So while setting a set priorities, cap small letters ఉంటే పర్లేదా సార్?
లేదు. Predefined, always predefined. So
Yeah, yeah.
as it is, you have to remember. But luckily, we can remember some thumb rules. So what are they? If a method name consists of two words, first word should start with a small letter. From
Small
second word
letter. Yeah.
onwards, it starts with a capital letter, and no
Capital.
space is allowed between them. Right?
Hmm.
Same story for
Yeah, yeah.
every method. Same story. But here, being static and final variables, these are not methods, these are variables.
Hmm.
Static
Variables.
and final variables, generally they are called as fields in Java. So thread dot,
Hmm.
being static, it should be present in some class. In which class it is present? Thread class. So
Thread
as an
class.
argument to set priority, we can pass that. Thread dot max priority
Hmm.
like that. Or if you are interested, you can give your own priority. In place of max, see what I am doing this time. I'm not interested to give max. I am interested to pass some argument here. Say 9. In place of 10, you will get 9 this time. I will run this
Okay.
time again. So you'll get previously how much you got?
10.
10. Right. Now see. You got 9? You got 9? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you
Hello?
got 9 this time. You got 9?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You got 9. Yeah, right. So it worked fine. So any other doubts in this?
No, sir.
Oh, my internet connection is unstable. What happened? Okay. First time this time. Okay. Next one. Here also I got my thread first time. Okay. Same program. The difference is implements runnable. Can I try with that? Let us see.
Runnable.
Yeah, we can try
Okay.
that also. Implements runnable. Yes, we'll see that. In place of extends thread, you can write.
Implements
Because
runnable.
all these methods can work with the help of runnable also. But the only difference
Yeah.
is runnable is an interface, whereas thread is a
Hmm.
class. Classes can be
Class.
extended, whereas
Hmm.
interfaces can be Implemented.
Implemented.
Implements.
Remember.
And let us change the name of this program to 1. Let us run this. Oh, okay. So when you are creating object to that, it is not the way. So you cannot, when you are not extending thread class, you are not eligible to create object to that. You should do in a different way. Like this, you have to do. These are the steps to be followed. I will change the code a bit. Just a minute. I'll explain this. I thought we are getting that. Yes. Anyway, yeah. Now see, what is the difference? First, let me run this, then we will explain this. Yes, fine, it's working. Got it? Same output.
Yeah.
See the difference. What is the difference? You are not extending thread class, you are implementing runnable interface.
Another.
That's why you have to create an object to your class. That is my thread.
Yeah.
What is the
My
object for my thread? Obj.
OBJ.
And pass that object with the thread object. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mm.
you have created object to your own class, my thread.
Yeah.
So obj is an object to your thread that is tied up with the thread object.
Thread.
Thread object
Yeah.
is T1. So obj plus T1 gives
Mm.
rise to T1
T1. Yeah.
because obj is tied to T1. So eventually T1 is the
Mm.
last thread. And with the help of
Yeah.
T1, you can set name for
Set name.
T1 and then you can get it.
Yeah.
You get Ramu here.
Mm.
Set name is only for setting, not getting. To get it, you have to use get name. Similarly, get priority. By default, you are not setting any priority. By default, it will be having you are inside main thread. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the default priority of main thread is 5. That's why you got 5.
5.
See here you got 5.
Mm.
Ramu 5 main. Because the default, because you are running inside main. So T1 belongs to main. T1, thread 1,
Yeah.
thread T1 belongs to main. You are inside main. And main thread by default will be having 5. That's why you got 5. I will show you here also. When you set get priority, you'll get 5. See here, twice you got 5. I can show you. You got 5.
Yeah.
And again, here also you got 5.
5. Correct. Correct. Yeah.
First time because of this. Because of this. Second time because of this. Got it?
Yeah.
Remaining same
Mm.
story. Nothing great. Nothing great. Is it not?
Correct.
Any doubt in this program? We got first which thread?
No,
Main
sir.
thread. Again, if I run, let me
Main
check.
thread.
For this, we will get main, I think. Yes. For this, it is different story. Yes. Every time main
Main thread.
only you are getting. Afterwards they are altering or not? Yeah. Afterwards, it may be
Yeah.
zigzag, random choosing
Mm.
the operating system. Every time main we are getting first time. Why? Because T1 is not your thread. Main thread
Yeah.
is tied with your thread. So main is given top and you are running main here. That is the difference.
Mm.
Unlike the other program. And then the next one. Yes, some entry questions here. What is the default priority of main thread? What is that answer? What is the answer for that?
Non priority.
Default priority
Normal
of
priority.
main thread is norm priority, and norm priority is equal to how much? 5. That point I
5.
just need to mention. The default priority of main thread is
Non.
norm priority. That is nothing but
Yeah.
5.
5.
Next point. What is the next one? Extends thread or implements runnable. Which is better to do? Already I explained, right? Same story here also.
Yeah.
I explained this also. But this is correct, this is incorrect. Why? First implements you should not write. First extends you have to write.
Yeah. First
Okay?
extends, right?
Yeah. And how to
Mm.
stop a running thread? There is a method called as stop. In the past, when I learned, I used that, but later on, it is a deprecated version. It is no more in use. A thread is running. In
Mm.
the middle, also you can stop from running state.
Okay.
Okay, but it is a deprecated. It is no more in use. So we have to write our own process to stop it. We have to write our
Okay.
own process. And then thread synchronization. Thread synchronization. This is very important concept. So first let me explain some theory, then we will get into some program, very big program that one. Okay. So here,
Okay.
let me give one small example. There are a couple of passengers here. It is very clearly given here in this example itself. So A and B are two passengers. Okay. And
Okay.
they want to travel from Hyderabad to Delhi. Okay.
Okay.
On 22nd June, they have to travel. Only one ticket is
Mm.
available, right?
Okay.
They want to reserve their ticket to New Delhi from Hyderabad, train ticket.
Mm.
In the first case, see here, with the no synchronizer, no locking mechanism is there. See how it is happening. Both are persons, individuals, A and B. A is,
Yeah.
you might have heard about these words, Dilshuk Nagar, Kukatpalli in Hyderabad,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Mm.
Right. So A is a person residing in Dilshuk Nagar and B in Kukatpalli.
Okay.
Both got a ticket, unfortunately. Is the code correct?
Yeah.
Only
No.
one ticket is available. Only one
Only
ticket.
one ticket. Yeah.
But both
That.
got a ticket. Means
Okay.
code is wrong.
Code is wrong. Yeah.
Because printout ఏముంది ఎవరికైనా ఇచ్చేస్తుంది కదా. When code is
Uh-huh.
wrong, both are able to get a ticket. But see here,
Yeah.
in the other case, let us see. What exactly happened is A and B are passengers. They want to travel from Hyderabad to Delhi. Fine.
Mm.
The same thing. Okay, we explained already this one. Why I have repeated this? Why I repeated
దాని
this?
కింద when
Uh,
with the synchronization చెప్పాలి.
yeah. Up to here, it is common code.
That
That's
is
why I made
repeated.
like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a requirement. This is the basic requirement of both the
Mm.
passengers. They want to travel from Hyderabad to Delhi. In fact,
Hyderabad.
after this underline, this is a solution. Okay.
Mm.
Same
Yeah.
question mark, but with synchronized locking code. See what is happening. Let us
Mm.
study from here. Same story. A from Dilshuk Nagar. First A got. First A is under transaction.
Okay.
A is in transaction.
Right.
So and then B Kukatpalli is said to be sorry, tickets unavailable. Result,
Mm.
A got ticket. Code is correct.
Correct.
So what is that synchronization? We will see this time. Okay. The only difference is no synchronization, synchronization. Synchronization is
Mm.
nothing but locking arrangement, locking code. Okay. What is that locking? We will see. And locking can be done in two ways. One is by using synchronized block. This is synchronized block. Block, just like if block. You know, if is a block, else is a block, like that. This is synchronized block. Synchronized, you can put some object if you want, otherwise you can leave it, no issue. Block of statements you can write inside. That code will be locked, so that when one person is under execution, it will be automatically locked. For example, I will tell you a small story. One room is there in engineering college. Okay. An online exam is going on. Only one system is there, one chair is there. Only two guys are selected for that. Two or three guys are selected, or for say 10 guys are selected. Okay. Hello. 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 Any problem? Hello, sir. Hello. సార్ ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లమా? ఏమో అర్థం కావట్లేదు. వినపడుతుందా నేను మాట్లాడేది? మీ దగ్గర? నా దగ్గర బానే ఉంది ఇక్కడ. మరి ఎందుకు వచ్చింది ఇట్లా? మళ్ళీ మీది ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది ఉన్నట్లే మీరు పార్టిసిపెంట్. ఎందుకు అయింది అట్లా? మళ్ళా రీలాగ్ అవుదామా? మళ్ళా లాగిన్ అవుదామా? మళ్ళా నేను క్లోజ్ సేమ్ లింక్ మీరు ట్రై చేయండి ఒకసారి.